Hello everyone. Today we are exploring the powerful xTool S140W Laser Cutter and Engraver machine. This high-performance tool easily slices through thick cherry wood with its massive 40,000 MW laser output. You can engrave large projects very quickly thanks to blazing speeds and a spacious working area. Patented positioning technology ensures incredible precision on flat surfaces and even curved items like metal spoons. The included conveyor feeder allows you to complete massive projects up to 118 inches long. Intelligent software and built-in AI make it simple for beginners to create professional designs. This Class 1 certified machine features an enclosed design and flame sensors for total workspace safety. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.